Hi, Blow Mold fans. This is Dr. Blow Mold and JJ tonight. We picked up a blow mold from one of the big box stores. I think they're pretty cool. We're going to show you how to put a C7 light in one of them. So what you're going to need is a C7 light and a bulb, a drill, an 1.1 hole saw, and on this one, hole placement is key because the blow mold is so skinny. With the LED bulb I have, it just fits in, so these normal incandescents do not fit, and they may just fit in there. It's a very difficult, yeah, they just, so you got to actually place it right behind the nose, so it's right above this clip on the back where we got to put the hole, or it will not fit. If you put them anywhere else, the bulb does not fit in. So, you ready, Jay? All right, Jay, ready? We're gonna put it right here. Hold on, buddy. All right. Oh, Jay, hold on. Let me. All right. No. All right, we got it in.
And this is also a pumpkin.
So
This is also real life pumpkin.
So you stick that in.
This is also real life pumpkin bunny.
All right, Jay, let them see when we plug it in.
And my light's on.
All right.
And now
We'll shut off the lights.
And we got
There's the bunny. Awesome. Thank you, Blow Mold fans, for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. This is Dr. Blow Mold and JJ signing off.